Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Nasari from PBIB. Here I will explain about the scope of the pulse analysis and classroom and causal conversation. A message is any notification, word or communication, either or writing, sent from one person to another. The main purpose in conveying pens is to be able to provide information or exchange information with each other. Oral interaction is the primary medium and writing is the secondary medium. Discourse is the unity of meaning between language within a language structure related to context. Ideas about oral discourse. Language is used orally by using speech in communication. It is a series of conventional sound systems. The real representation is speaking. Understanding speech means understanding oral discourse. Speaking is one of the abilities to communicate with others through the medium of language. Speaking is a form of speech action in the form of sound produced by speech tools accompanied by gesture of the body and facial expression. Various definitions have been put forward to give meaning to speaking. Discussion about talking cannot be separated from public speaking. Public speaking is the ability that a person has in conveying or presenting a topic in public. One can deliver information clearly in front of an audience by mastering and applying appropriate speaking technique. Records 2008, people use speech to use three main functions: speaking as interaction, speaking as transaction, speaking as performance. Speaking as interaction. Speaking as interaction refers to conversational activities that are commonly performed and related to social function. The main focus on the speaker and how they show themselves to others. Speaking as a transaction is an agreement between a buyer and a seller to exchange goods, service, or financial instrument, or it could be a transaction in terms of exchanging information. It is common knowledge that people use language to interact with each other. They deliver their speech to make their listener recognize the meaning they have in mind. Regarding the fact, many research reports show that people use speaking or variety of different purposes. Some people talk in conversation, for example, to make social contact. Which other to establish relationship or understanding, or to build social relationship between two or more people. Some engage in discussion with someone, on the other hand, to seek or express an opinion, to question someone about something, or to clarify information. The main characteristics of transactional speaking are self to exchange information, message oriented, which means communication meaning. Participants use mutual understanding strategies, motivation, repetition, understanding, examination or need. Negotiation of ideas usually take place. The accuracy of the language is not always important. Speaking as performance. Speaking as a performance is the quality and quantity performance by an employee in carrying out his basic duties and function as an employee in accordance with the responsibilities charged or given to him. Difference between class and casual conversation. In ordinary conversation, people don't need to raise their hand if they want to talk. In class conversation, students are expected to do so if they want to say something. According to Bernays 1971, teachers rarely ask questions for which they don't yet know the answer. In real life, people usually ask questions to find out something they don't know. Delmont 1976 states that is the classroom teacher expected to follow up the student's response with some kind of evaluation such culture, that's right, but outside of the classroom, this type of follow-up will be very out of place. The type of language used by teachers and students to interact with each other in the classroom is called classroom. We call classroom conversation. In class conversation, students are expected to do so if they want to say something. According to Barnes 1971, teachers rarely ask questions for which they do not yet know the answer. In real life, people usually ask questions to find out something they don't know. Delmon 1976 states that his classroom teachers are expected to follow up the students' response with some kind of revelation, such as culture, that's right, but outside of the classroom, this type of follow-up will be very out of place. The type of language used by teachers and students to interact with each other in the classroom is called classroom because classroom conversation. What to do in implementing the I for CLC requires an Smith 2002 the focus for CLC sentence cohesion to target relationship between sentence, speech motion, and speech action. What can you see below? Insight from CLC teacher. Well, I also have some stuff here. Hands up. What is it? So it is a sound. Yes, it is a sound. Using ordinary eyes, we only see snippets of dialogue between a teacher and his students, but by using the eye, we will see different things. Sinclair and Coulthard 1975. The Apple CLC uses speech approach by using an extract from their data. The sequence can be operationalized in this way. Now then, I got something here too. Initiation, hands up. What is this? So response, it is so. Yes, it is so. Feedback. The extract about is analyzed. By using speech approach, we find out three different functions in the conversation. What is the contribution of CLC? The result of the CLC not only provide these two things but also provide cultural information. Example, teachers in Indonesian who are in charge of teaching Indonesian for students in America can provide cultural information to foreign students so that these students can get know Indonesian culture. So cultural adaptation in teaching is effective to be able to make teaching the teacher can be adapted to the cultural that is common in the classroom of American learners. Using the Sinclair and Coulthard discovered the internal structure of the slide, how to reveal internal structure. Internal structure can then be identified by marking the boundaries of the data with slash and double slash. To create a recall structure, a slash is the boundary given to a segment unit. That's all from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.